Hello and welcome to Asif Umer Science channel, where science becomes super fun and learning at the same time.
I am Asif Umer and our today's activity is balancing nails. The object is, can you balance 21 nail on the head of a single nail? Is it possible? Yes or no? This is the balancing bird. In this position, all the mass or weight concentrated at the beak. This is the center of gravity of the bird. Every object having center of gravity. But the question is, can you balance 21 nail on the head of a single nail? Is it possible? So then I will tell you.
First take single nail, put it vertically. Arrange remaining nail one by one on the first nail. Hold bottom and top vertical nail together. Put center of the structure on the head of the nail on the wooden stand. All the nails balanced.
Science and little engineering. We can balance 11 nail on the head of one nail